Don't know what's ahead of me. I work so hard for everything. Don't wanna lose my time or my mind on the grind, but I want a better life for me. I do the things I hate to do, just to try to find my way to you. I see you in my mind all the time, visualize, and I hope that I can make it through. I gotta find my way out. I gotta find my way out. I gotta find my way out of everything that holds me down. I'll scream until my lungs give out. Ain't nobody gonna stop me now. I gotta find my way out of everything that holds me down. Out of everything that holds me down. Out of everything that holds me down. I wanna be a better me. I wrote a song called Destiny. When I'm in pain, don't let them see. Emotion is the enemy. Therapeutic chemistry. I strive to be a part of you. I wanna help the world get through. Sometimes I feel so small against it all. Don't know what to do. I just dream of ones and twos. I gotta find my way out. I gotta find my way out. I gotta find my way out of everything that holds me down. I'll scream until my lungs give out. Ain't nobody gonna stop me now. I gotta find my way out of everything that holds me down. Out of everything that holds me down. Out of everything that holds me down.
I look at what's in front of me, don't focus on the other things. I know that if I'm struggling, that only leads to a tough for me. And I want and need something that could challenge me. Build up all my calluses, push through all their callousness. Becoming reckless, I'm ambitious and I'm restless, yeah. Was an apprentice but possessed a different engine. So I asked a lot of questions and I learned a lot of lessons, yeah. Got different weapons and I worked on my direction, yeah.
We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. We gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains. Cause we don't hide from the blame, we take pride when we train. We gon' rise up and change, and we gon' hike through the flame. We gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. Yeah, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' strive to make gains. We don't hide from the pain, we take pride when we train. We gon' rise up and change.
When I make that bet, got goals in my mind that I want real bad. So I work and strive to get all of that. Don't need any luck, my work pays off. Cause the more I work, the more I take off. I don't lack direction, I'm never lost. Always on play, never hit pause. And I teach classes on these things. Lessons came through lyrically, but now I think it's time to be professor of the finer things. To guide the next, to try and be proactively trying things in the shadows quietly, building their own dynasty.
We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. We gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains. Cause we don't hide from the blame, we take pride when we train. We gon' rise up and change, and we gon' hike through the flame. We gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. We gon' rise rise up and change, and we gon' strive to make